So guys, you might recognise where I am, and you might recognise who that is in the background.
Hello!
Yes, I'm at HooverLux's. He's taken ownership of the Fisher Paykel, and you're watching Florence Ballard A3060 and HooverLux on film.
Florence Ballard A3060.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Florence Ballard A3060 here, and I hope you enjoy what we've got in stock for today's video.
You can press start.
So, sort of a wash race it is, this is. So we're modern versus vintage. Start, stop.
Don't say wash race to Phil.
Clunk.
Click, click, clickety click, clickety slick.
Modern keymatic. Probably fighting for water, aren't they?
Yeah.
So that's technically would be filling through hot at the moment, that would. It's actually filling, is it? Yeah.
Just slowly.
I love that.
Door is a weak dunk.
That's good, you're doing a load of white towels on that one. Oh, Fisher Paykel's finished filling. It does have a load sensor in it as well, that does. It'll take a while now to absorb it all.
Oof.
As that one's filling now.
I've put a picture of the pair of them on and I've put it on the group saying wash race. Wait for Phil to go, it's not a wash race!
Bang.
It's not happy with the water flow.
I like Fisher Paykel, it actually looks really good there.
Yeah.
Is it filling more tumbling? Yeah, it pulse fills whilst
Okay.
tumbling, that's what it does.
I just got a message. Why? I can't.
Oh, here we go.
Hey!
Yay, hallelujah.
Just... Yeah, it is, yeah.
That's why. That's taking more of the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, both machines have soaked everything in.
Uh-oh. Deaning.
Oh my god. He's going to wash his bedding. The thing about washer doors, man, it attracts so much dust. That's the same thing my Indicet started doing.
What, to stop in between?
Yeah, only on the anti-clockwise tumble it will stop and then it will continue again.
On all cycles?
I was doing it on all the rinse on the cotton side.
All right, okay.
That looked nice in the dark with all the lights on that.
Yes.
God, that video's premiering tonight actually, that one of the Indicet.
Today's like going out tomorrow. No, Friday.
I know, it's vacuum video. If your channel's not all about vacuums, it doesn't always get good views. I've noticed that.
I do need to get back into it. It's just been really fucking hard to get back into
like vacuum.
everything.
Yeah. That's one thing I've noticed, like with me like moving everything, moving and all that. It's been like I've kind of been out of thing with videos and trying to get back into it. It's like. Well, you've got an hour to go. Well, the Fisher Paykel's got an hour to go. Oh, look, someone's come to observe.
Oh, I'm so glad this one's there.
Well, Fisher Paykel's probably on the cool down.
Yeah, that's cool down.
That's got ahead of that.
Huh. What are you doing now, face ache? Daddy's got a baddie. Oh, you're
Like an
healing
X, okay,
Daddy's baddie. You're healing Daddy's baddie. Daddy got baddie. Where's your ball? Where's the ball? Go get the ball. Quick, get the ball. Get the ball. It's inside.
Mate, that's hit 90. That's hit 90. That's nearly at the end of the main wash before that's. I think someone who does 2 rinses on the cycle.
Oh, right.
In the everyday cycle, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I guess that would be like, quicker. Because it's got the temp really well.
Yeah. The water looks a bit milky.
I'm not surprised. It's practically, what do they call it? Genocide.
That's it. This is an inspection of the water. They did like a little
You'd be
test of the
crying,
water, yeah.
Daddy, millions of voices.
Oh yeah, we'll see the water come out here.
Yeah, I'll have a look at that now.
Oh, throw some of the rocks in there, look.
And there's a couple of rocks, but the other darker bits are from when it came out of the Fisher and Paykel.
Oh, we have a wasp. Fisher and Paykel's full level there. Wait for the logic to drain. just advanced. Our Logic is still on, well, towards the end of the main wash, but the Fisher Paykel's on the second intermediate spin. I swear to God, if that doesn't give you any balancing problems, yeah, it always gave me balancing issues, it did. Even with towels.
Is the floor wooden or concrete?
It's solid wire at home, yeah.
Concrete,
Yeah.
not wood.
No. Well, it's kitchen tiling over concrete is.
No, that would be fine. The only issue it might have had is if it was on a wooden floor, but it's not, it's concrete.
If in my new place it would have a problem because the floor's very bouncy there. Even the kitchen, it's lino, but it's very springy. It is. So no matter where I put my machines in that house, they just rattle around all the place. Yeah.
Oh, no more.
Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, I filled it with towels like when I did a towel wash in there.
That sounds like water.
It is, yeah.
See, why does the pump do that? The pump should
Hang
just
on.
be going constantly.
Oh.
Just go.
Logic's on the cool down.
Oh,
I think it's advanced.
yep, it's filling.
Good. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Water lock. Don't stop, just keep pumping.
That's the problem with the eco
That's
pump.
just like the freaking Hisense does the same thing. They stop pumping. I'm still not pumping out yet.
What can I hear? I can hear a pump. Oh no! If it's spinning, it's probably stopping the flow of water. Yeah, pump again.
Going again. Dribble, 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 yeah.
It spins through it though. It does.
Dribbling.
Ooh, just threw all the foam all over the.
Now it's pumping. Yeah, now it's fully pumping, yeah, that's it. Oh, don't stop! I think it's many modern machines.
Yeah, that
do
hot
this
point there
kind of
probably
pump.
does. That hot point there probably does it as well.
Freddy! Freddy!
Nice.
Oh my god!
What?
Forgot how high that level is.
Yeah, it's crazy. Long distribute. Yeah. That's just going to keep doing that. And then it will kick.
No more, Bowie. No more. No.
What do you call him, Bowie? David Bowie?
With his blue eye.
Can't even hear that.
Oh, I can't. I had to look to see if it was on.
Oh. That's going to salt up when that spins, I guarantee it. Oh, that's like that anti-suds thing I think that's doing. That's why it's distributing for so long. Do I remember it doing that? I can't remember. Oh no, it's come to a stop. Oh, interesting. It didn't go on to 800, it just went...
No. No.
Apparently apparently according to the suspension is striggling. Oh yeah. Well, they pump out at 7 gallons per minute apparently is what Hoover are. So Fisher Paykel's finished for final rinse, and Hoover is training. Look how quick that empties. Yeah, that Endus that I've got, it's got a big drain hose on it, just fires out the water really quick it does. Is that filled? No, it's still filling up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's finished filling. No, I won't spin that one. See? That's first rinse. Right, if it does any stops and tumbles between the spins, you know it's balancing. I can't believe that. You've had one cycle where it's done no bloody balancing. On, off, on, off.
Finally.
Fisher and Paykel's final spin. If it doesn't stop and rebalance that, I'll be very surprised. You're squelching.
Bit more bits coming out.
I think this machine likes you. It probably hated me.
Oh, I love it.
Yep. That hasn't done one bit of balancing at all. And yet when I had it, it took like 20 minutes to do one spin because it just wouldn't stop balancing. And that's taking that first go, it was wrong. The squelching sounds like it's making.
Extracting a lot of detergent from there.
It comes on like a... Alright, distribution. I don't think that's a spin though. Oh, it might be. I think it's a spin off the first rinse.
Ready.
That's louder on distributor than that is at spinning. I should buy that 800.
Oh, they're both draining.
Yeah. Stagger draining, you call it. I like that. So it goes up to 1,000, I think it does, or 11. I think it's 1,100 it goes to. There you are.
Sorry, Brandon, that it's working now.
I think that's a spin on the logic.
Yes, that's going to do a spin.
That does not sound very balanced at all. Sides lock. Look at the care bell on top, shaky. The door's on. I know, the little mouth side coming out. You've got two that can handle something. It's like a lot of suds, isn't it?
Very unbalanced.
I think Fisher Paykel's got about 1200 there.
Spin race.
I don't say that, he'll get upset. That's doing 1200 of these, which when I've got 1400 of it. Hopefully that'll slow down. Let's see how quiet it is. That's at 1400 now.
Sorry.
Yeah. A little bit of vibration from it, but that's full pelt, that's that. That's quiet, isn't it?
Amazing. Steady.
I think you do get a bit of, hang on, let's see. Oh yeah, you do get a bit of
Little bit of vibration.
mild
yeah.
vibration, that's nice, yeah. Oh, there's stuff going around the pump.
Oh, yeah. Give it a rest.
That's nice, that is.
Got his ball stuck in the camera. If you weren't filming, I'd comment on that, but
The way you worded it as well. Ball stuck in your camera. The pump's louder than the motor on that. There you are. Well, Dawn started another load in the Fisher & Paykel, a full load of like rags and microfiber cloths and towels, and cotton 90. And the Ecologic's on a second intermediate spin, final one now. He's loving that machine. is. Right. That's lovely. This phone's gonna bloody fall off on us. Alright, we're on to the final spin. Drawing seeing his last funnel.
Yes.
A bell funnel.
Sounds like we're gonna finish it off somewhere.
He's choking on his own joke. Way. Hop.
Splat.
Sounds like the drum beats from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory on the boat. Boom,
Oh
boom,
yeah, it does. Yeah.
boom, boom. to wash.